Hello friends. Okay, as you know that we were discussing regarding the nationalism in India. हमने पहले दो वीडियोस देखे मॉड्यूल 1, मॉड्यूल 2 पार्ट 1. In that we discuss about the World War First. We discuss about the idea of Satyagraha. Even apart from that we discuss about the Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and finally we have started the one important movement that was non-cooperation movement. उसमें हमने देखा कि हाउ गांधी जी स्टार्टेड नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. वी हैव डिस्कस सर्टेन मेथड्स ऑफ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी हैव डिस्कस द टू डिफरेंट स्टैंड्स ऑफ द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. वन इज इन कंट्री साइड एंड सेकेंड इन द टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़. बट हम लोगों ने पहले वीडियो मॉड्यूल 2 में पार्ट 1 में हम लोगों ने देख लिया दैट मूवमेंट नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट इन टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़. In module 2 part 2 we are going to discuss about the non-cooperation movement in countryside. Here countryside means villages. Second we will discuss about the calling of the non-cooperation movement, that why Gandhi ji decide to call off the non-cooperation movement. Apart from that we are going to discuss about the role of two major parties. One is a Swaraj party and second one is role of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. So this module having these things. Am I clear to all? These are the four topics we are going to discuss in this module part 1. So first of all we will discuss about countryside. In countryside हम लोगों को तीन एरिया के बारे में बात करनी है. पहला जो एरिया है वो है अवध. मूवमेंट इन द कंट्री साइड में फर्स्ट जो एरिया है क्या है, उनका नाम अवध. अवध वेयर द मूवमेंट वाज लीड बाय बाबा रामचंद्र. Baba Ramchandra, he belongs to India, but he went to Fiji, and where he fought for the individual labours, and he returned to the India. He was a sannyasi, so he decided to start the movement. When he started a movement, that movement was against the talukdars and landlord. They were demanding high tax from Indian peasants. Though they were Indian, but they were demanding more taxes, more rent, more revenue from the Indian farmer. And that's the reason that some of the peasants, their condition was very critical. So they were all under the single group led by Baba Ramchandra. And they have certain demands. The demands like reduction of revenue. They want to reduce the revenues. They also discuss about the abolition of beggar. Here, the meaning of beggar means they were demanding a free work from the peasants. So they want to remove this type of systems. Then they were also demand to remove or boycott the social landlords. So this was the initial demand created or lead by the Baba Ramchandra. Even apart from this, they also started a movement called as the Nai Dhobi Bandh. Nai means a barber and Dhobi means washerman. So they want to remove, means the no barber, no nai, no dhobi work for the talukdars, work for the landlord, work for the British government. So that was the main motive. And finally the movement was spread in June 1920 when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru went into the Awadh and he started a Oath Kisan Sabha. And later on, within a few months, there was a 300 branches we found of the Oath Kisan Sabha. So this is a story from Awadh, where movement was led by Baba Ramchandra. Second story that we are going to learn in this chapter, that is from from Andhra Pradesh and the area called as Gudem Hills. In Gudem Hills, everyone know it's a forested area, Andhra Pradesh area. आप लोगों ने 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी पढ़ा होगा. when Britishers came, they restricted India's forest. That you learn in the 9th standard also, forest society and colonialism. So as Britishers came, they started restriction over the forest. As restriction started found, so hilly people, they became angry because their shifting cultivation, their hunting, their agriculture, everything was banned. They cannot rear their cattle, they cannot hunt their animals, and that's the reason the hilly people, they were angry. And especially the area name is Gudem Hills, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, where the people started a militant guerrilla movement. Guerrilla movement, it's a well-known movement where they will not directly fight against the people, they will attack and they run away. This was a famous movement, also started, means also used by Chhatrapati Shivaji. So here, Andhra Pradesh, the movement was led by Alluri Sitaram Raju. He was a famous leader. He started a movement from गुदे मिल्स इन आंध्र प्रदेश. आप सबने देखा अवध में जो मूवमेंट हुआ था नाइदो भी बंद एंड तालुकदार के सामने, दैट मूवमेंट वाज लीड बाय बाबा रामचंद्र. whereas in गुदे मिल्स जो मूवमेंट हुआ था दैट वाज लीड बाय अलूरी सीताराम राजू. He talked about the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a die-hard friend of Mahatma Gandhi. But question arise, he believed that we need to wear the khadi. That's Mahatma Gandhi believed. He also want a people has to give up the drinking practices. Gandhi ji का भी same belief था. We should not drink the alcohol. Even we should adopt the khadi clothes. But in one idea, he was not in the favor of Mahatma Gandhi. That is, he believed if he want to free from this type of things, so there should be a action required. And he believed that if we want to get independence, we need to fight against the British. The non-violence will not work out. He believed we can achieve this through the non-violence only. Okay, sorry, we can achieve this with the violence only. So this was the motive of Alluri Sitaram Raju. And what they did, he made up the army. And that army, that Gude Mills rebellions, they attack on police stations, they attack on British officers, they killed the number of British officers, they carried on guerrilla warfare to achieve the Swaraj. They want to achieve the Swaraj. And finally, Alluri Sitaram Raju, he was captured and he was executed in 1924. But tab tak he remains in the stories as a hero. So this is the story that we have to learn from the Gude Mills. Gude Mill famous movement याद रखना है, गुरिल्ला movement. Name of the leader, that is Alluri Sitaram Raju. और as I said, the third countryside से हमको जो story पढ़ना है, that is Assam. In Assam, the one act was passed, that was Inland Emigration Act, which was passed in 1859. That is 2 years later the Republic, 2 years later of the mutiny. Everyone knows 1857 revolt called as the Sepoy Mutiny. After the Sepoy Mutiny, 2 years, 1859, the British government passed the Inland Emigration Act. क्या था ये Inland Emigration Act? According to this act, the workers were not permitted to leave the tea gardens without permission. Everyone know Assam is a famous for tea production. And tea, that is a plantation agriculture which require a lot of workers. So British, they were forcefully taking workers from Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, and forcefully that workers were working in the Assam. And without the permission of British, no workers can leave the tea garden, and that was we call as the Inland Emigration Act. So when Gandhiji started a movement, thousands of workers they joined the movement, non-cooperation movement. If you remember, non-cooperation में हमने बात किया था, we should not cooperate with the British, and the same was done by the plantation workers. They did not work for the British and they left the plantation. They believe Gandhi Raj is coming. They having a faith on Mahatma Gandhi that Gandhi Raj will come, and in Gandhi Raj we will allowed to go to our homes and we will give the land. We will give in the land and we can have a good life. So that was a motive behind of workers that joined to the non-cooperation movement. And finally they were caught, the peasants were caught and they were beaten by police. But this movement was also shut down. So these are the three different movements that we have seen in the non-cooperation movement in countryside. 3 डिफरेंट एरिया के बारे में बात किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस अबाउट अवध, जहाँ पे लीडर थे बाबा रामचंद्र. सेकेंड विल टॉक अबाउट द गुदे मिल्स, वहाँ पे लीडर थे अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू. और थर्ड में हमने बात किया आसाम का, जहाँ पे एक एक्ट के बारे में बात किया, इनलैंड एमिग्रेशन एक्ट. आगे देखते हैं तो आगे देखेंगे कि ये मूवमेंट इतना चला, देन व्हाई दैट मूवमेंट वाज फेल्ड. देयर इज वन इंसिडेंट वी कॉल एज अ Chori Chora incident. Gandhiji started a movement and Gandhiji only he decided to stop the movement. Gandhiji called off the movement in February 1922. This movement was started in January 1921 and that movement was ended in February 1922. And the reason for calling off the movement, that was Chori Chora incident. अब ये चोरी चोरा इंसिडेंट क्या है? चोरी चोरा इट्स अ प्लेस that is located at Gorakhpur district of United Province. Means right now it's in Uttar Pradesh. where that incident that was on 4th February 1922. 4th February 1922 में एक इंसिडेंट हो गया था. That was a peaceful demonstration started by people and that was turns into the violent. And that angry crowd, they attack on police station, they burn the police station and they burn the 22 to 23 police officer alive. And Gandhiji believed in non-violence, whereas this crowd, they became violence. In that violence, 3 civilians were also died. And this incident, that was a very critical incident for Mahatma Gandhi. As I said, Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence, and this incident was fully violence, where these people, they burn out the police station with 22 to 23 police officers. And that's the reason Gandhiji decided to call off the movement. When the movement was called off, the Gandhiji was arrested and British government, they sent the Mahatma Gandhiji into jail and Gandhiji remained in a jail for 6 years. 1922 में वो अरेस्ट हो गए थे और अप टू 1928 ही रिमेन इन द जेल. और ये जो 6 ईयर का पीरियड है, दैट वाज कॉल्ड एज अ वैक्यूम पीरियड, क्योंकि ये 6 साल INC, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस के मेजोरिटी जो लीडर्स थे, देवर बिहाइंड द बार्स. बट 2 पार्टी ऐसी थी, 2 एसोसिएशन ऐसा था दैट वाज वर्किंग ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. तो पहले हम बात करेंगे स्वराज पार्टी के बारे में. CR दास, चित्तरंजन दास and Motilal Nehru, they started the Swaraj Party and they believed that they should contest election, became a member of legislative, and that is the best way to fight against the British. Okay, अब क्या होता था, ये legislative assembly है जिसमें मेजोरिटी जो ऑफिसर्स थे, जो मेंबर्स थे, दे ऑल वर ब्रिटिशर्स and they were making law for India. So Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das, they believe if we want to get a power, so we need to take part in the assembly, we get a seat and then we can raise a demand against the British government. So that was their idea. But जो young leader थे, young blood, they don't want this. They want full independence. और young leader की बात करें, so we were having Subhash Chandra Bose, then the son of Motilal Nehru, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. They don't want a half independence legislative, they want a full independence. And they were not succeeded and party destroyed. But if I say Chittaranjan Das की जब death हो गई 1925 when CR Das he died, the Motilal Nehru, he was not able to took off the or to lead this party, and that's the reason this party was also shut down. And during that time जब इंटरनेट डिबेट स्टार्ट होने लगा, डिस्कशन होने लगा, 28-29 का जो पीरियड है, इट इज़ वेरी क्रिटिकल पीरियड फॉर एंटायर वर्ल्ड. आप सब ने सुना है ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन का स्टार्ट हो गया था. ओके, वी लर्न इन द लास्ट ईयर, दैट इज़ 9th स्टैंडर्ड नाजिज्म में हमने देखा, लाइक 1929-30 जो पीरियड है, दैट वाज अ पीरियड ऑफ ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन, वेर एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन फेल होने लगा था, वेर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज वर शट डाउन, एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट बंद होने लगा था. और ये टर्म में, ये सिचुएशन में ब्रिटिश को कोप अप करना था. सो द इफेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वाइड ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन, एंड सेकेंडली दे वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द एग्रीकल्चर प्राइसेस बिगिन टू फॉल from 1926 and finally it was collapsed in 1930. So people were discussing regarding the effect of great economic depression, and people were discussing about the 1926 to 1930 period, that was very critical period for the people. And this is about the chapter. So this is about this module 2 part 2, जिसमें हम लोगों ने क्या क्या डिस्कशन किया है. वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सर्टेन मूवमेंट, लाइक कंट्री साइड में हमने 3 स्टोरी के बारे में देखा. फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट अवध, सेकेंड वी डिस्कस अबाउट द गुदेई मिल, थर्ड वी डिस्कस अबाउट आसाम, और फाइनली हम लोगों ने लास्ट में क्या देखा, दैट इज व्हाई दिस मूवमेंट वाज कॉल ऑफ, एंड फाइनली वी डिस्कस अबाउट द स्वराज, रोल ऑफ स्वराज पार्टी. जो नेक्स्ट वाला है हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिक, दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. Okay, so I'm giving you some assignment, home assignment. So best of luck students, and for the next class, bye bye. So here we have certain work for you from this chapter. Please refer it and do it. Thank you. Yeah.